welcome back to the channel. Well, what I'm going to talk about today on this car is the rear suspension. Now this is the 4-link rear suspension kit that you can get online. This car has been sitting in here since it started to build. It's not been on the road. So what I'm going to do is show you these 4-link system here. This car has never been on the road, and that right there is a product of what you're getting. Never even been on the road. These bushings wear out. Now the last car that was out with that suspension, the bushings had to be replaced 2 times and hadn't even been driven that long. Let's go ahead and show you exactly what's going to go back on this car and throw away this junk. All right, going under here, you see the 4-link set up. This was the bars that came on the car with the kit for this 4-link system, top and lower. These are what's going to be going on there to replace it. Now this kit right here, these just come with the ends and this, and you got to, of course, cut your bars to length. These came from Detroit Axle. These right here are basically what the off-roaders use for them more 4-wheel drive buggies. That right there will never wear out. So there's no issue with this right here ever having problems with the bushings. So that's the ones on each side for the bottom and the ones on each side for the top, replacing this junk right here. This right here, of course, being a store-bought kit, direct fit, there's no reason why that bushing right there should be wearing out before it even hits the road. So big difference right there on replacements. Going to be a big difference. This has adjustment on both sides, to whereas this bar has adjustment only on one side. This right here can easily wear out. There's definitely no way that any side to side, and there right here, it'll wear out those bushings. Where that, the extreme off-roaders, they use those on those rock climbers. So there's going to be no issue with those things wearing out. So that's what's going to be replacing this junk crap right here. So this is definitely not going to be used on that car. You're going to buy a car like this right here, you expect everything to last on it. You don't expect to have to replace bushings. Now going back to the car, the last time you seen the car, it didn't have any of the brakes set up on there. It now has the brakes on there, the lines plumbed, and drilled slotted rotors on the front and the rear. So there you have it on the front. So this car right here is nearing completion. One thing that this car is waiting on right now, the full interior is going to be TMI. The rear section, the interior panels are going to be from Mustangs to Fear. And since I'm in here doing a video, here's the car that we saw in the last one, still sitting in the same spot. Nothing's been done to the coupe car. It's just been sitting in there waiting for me to get after it as soon as the Chevelle's finished. Okay, well that's going to be it for the video. It's not going to be a very long video, but I wanted to go ahead and show you the components on this rear end of this car. Now, you go online, you look up 4-link system for this car. That's going to be pretty much the base 4-link that you'll find for these cars. And they wear out extremely bad. The bushings are crap. So all that junk's going to be replaced with the good stuff from Detroit Axle. So go ahead and check them out. You can order those little links from them. You can order everything you need to go ahead and make your own kit. But it's still going to be using the brackets and things. It's just going to be the links that's going to be replaced. But go ahead and check out the other videos in the playlist. I've got several Coyote builds on there, body swaps, trucks, car shows, everything you can think of. So go ahead and check that out. Also hit the subscribe link at the bottom, notification bell at the top, and I'll catch you on the next video.